The name Ludovicus refers to a Roman soldier who during the 1st century AC settled in the mountains of Tarragona, south of Barcelona, where this Mediterranean Garnacha is grown. In this wine icon you'll find La Masia, which is a small shack in the vineyard that serves as a gathering place for the farmers to eat and rest while working. It is a home away from home during the day and also where farming families in Catalonia gather with family and friends for lunch on the weekend. Now we decided to pair this beautiful wine with some calçots. Calçots is basically a type of green onion that's very hard to find in the United States. So we just found some really nice and tender leeks and decided to use them instead to see if they did the trick, which they did. So basically we just threw them in the grill along with some red bell peppers and a hot chili pepper. We are now gonna transfer the peppers to a bowl and cover it in plastic wrap to let them sweat. While those are sweating, we're also going to add our leeks to a tray and cover them in some newspaper with something heavy on top. Now you'll notice that when you uncover your peppers, they're gonna be super easy to peel. So you just wanna start peeling them and removing the seeds. And now we're gonna throw them into a blender along with some tomatoes that we also passed by the grill. We are gonna add our hot chili pepper, hazelnuts, pimentón de la vera, garlic, parsley, and some salt. Also a bit of vinegar, olive oil, and blend it until smooth and velvety. Now returning to our wine, Ludovicus is produced with Garnacha grapes, which is one of the most important red grapes of Spain. It is grown in many different regions throughout the Iberian Peninsula. Specifically in Tarragona, where our Roman soldier Ludovicus settled, winemaking started with the Romans. It continued with the Carthusian monks, and today many families continue this tradition of farming and crafting wines. In the northern Mediterranean mountains, Garnacha exhibits thyme, rosemary combined with red berries, spice, and lush, juicy fruit. All of these characteristics are gonna make it the perfect wine pairing for your calçots with salsa romesco. When your sauce is ready, you're just going to transfer it to some bowls and start uncovering the leeks. You'll need to squeeze each of the leeks from the top, where the root's at, and pull it from the center green leaves. You'll reveal a delicious and tender leek in the inside. Now the way these are eaten in Spain is by dipping them in the romesco sauce and then taking them up high to enjoy the tender section. It's a calçots party. We hope you enjoy this feast in company of our Ludovicus wine and your loved ones. And as we'd say in Spain, buen provecho!